walking along the banks of the Deschutes River in the middle of town, you'll often smell the wafting aroma of our breweries with the hops and the malt and barley, things like that in the air. When it does rain, you'll smell fresh juniper. There's a lot of senses going on when you're outside here, and it's a truly magical place. I live in Beertown, USA, otherwise known as Bendor. Because we have the backdrop of the Cascade Mountains, we're on the dry side of the state, so we get 300 days of sun. It's always beautiful here. One of the craziest things that you can do in Central Oregon in the early spring is go skiing or snowboarding up the Mount Bachelor in the morning, drive down the mountain and be able to play golf, go mountain biking or fishing in the afternoon and still have plenty of time to go grab a beer and watch the sunset. To be able to do all those things in one day every year, I'm still marveled that that's an opportunity that we have. If I was visiting Central Oregon for the first time from outside the country, one of the first things that I would do is visit Smith Rock State Park in Terrebonne. It's hard to explain just how beautiful this rock formation is. And once you're there, hike along the river, you can hike up to the top of it for incredible views of the whole Central Oregon region. You can ride your bike there, and there's also horseback riding nearby. It's just one of the must-see iconic features in Central Oregon. It's a real active community filled with people who have come from all over and have embraced this lifestyle that caters to folks who love being outside, love being with other people, love beer, and just enjoy an active lifestyle.